What if your career could help restore our oceans, protect wildlife, and create a more sustainable future? At Envirotech Education, our dual certificates in marine habitat conservation and restoration and conservation and ecosystem management prepare you to become part of the solution. Gain practical skills in marine conservation, habitat restoration, biodiversity monitoring, water quality assessment, and ecosystem management. Learn how to restore coral reefs, protect mangroves and seagrass meadows, monitor environmental health, and contribute to real-world conservation projects. Develop leadership skills while combining modern conservation techniques with indigenous ecological knowledge to support sustainable environmental outcomes. Whether your passion is on land, along the coast, or beneath the waves, these nationally recognized qualifications can help you build a meaningful career protecting the natural world. Join the next generation of conservation leaders. Study the dual certificate in marine and conservation at Envirotech Education and help restore, protect, and sustain our planet for future generations.